Okay, as I told in your last video, we'll see what are the steps the AI should follow. So the first step is your initial state where the AI is created and how the possible ways to make an AI to work. So next is your actions and operations. So whatever you do, whatever actions we give, suppose it should stand or it should sit or it should walk, whatever actions operators we can give in this stage. So transition model. So only not only by talking, not only walking or sitting or standing. Even we can give a transition model of walking or making comedies, or we can make even humanize. So next is your goal state. So what is the main goal of that AI? What is the main goal of creating the AI? So that stage can be given over here. And next, what is the function of the total cost of the AI we can give. So for example, we can take a vacuum cleaner. So when I'm creating a vacuum cleaner, what is the main duty of a vacuum cleaner is it should clean all your place. It should be maintained very high hygienic. So it should clean all your place. Even if there is a dirt, it should move around and clean its place. So whatever spill. So the initial stage is it should start and stop. The initial stage of your vacuum is it should start or stop. So or it should scan your places. So these may be your initial steps. So how it is doing. So the actions is if there is dirt, the action it will be moving forward, it will be moving rightwards, or it will be moving leftwards. So whereas the dirt is there, so it will be moving. If there is no dirt, what happens? There is in a silence mode. It can go off in a power mode. So the transition model is nothing but nowadays if you see when we come before we are coming home, while we are moving out, the place might be very dirty. But while we are coming back, the vacuum cleaner cleans itself nowadays most of this. So nowadays the AI is developing with an updated called the message. Okay, so whenever no one is home, it cleans the home and it just sends a message that the home is clean. Or if anything, the home is dirt, or if anything, suppose sometimes many of the people in the gas, they will keep it on itself. So it is used to set as an alarm. So some transition models like alarm can be kept in your vacuum model. So now they are developing it. So the goal state is to of a vacuum cleaner is to maintain the state whether it is cleaned or not. So next is your function of your vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner, you can have many types or many kinds. For example, the floor cleaner or the sofa cleaner, or it may be any of the cleaners. So your transactions may be cost according to that. So these are your initial functional steps for an AI to follow. So over here, not only this AI, it also follows an agent. Agent is nothing but the intermediate between the human and an machine. So this over here, if you see, it is a simple agent, it is a model agent and goal agent, utility agent and learning agent. So the simple agent, what it does? So what I give, what command I give, it acts according to that. So it just acts according to that. So it is a simple agent. So model agent is nothing but, for example, it can be having do cooking like food. So already the recipes are given. So it will just, if we click that menu, it will put the additions or whatever contains need for to cook a food. So it can cook a food. So it is in this. So goal is nothing but it is in future. For example, it may be of a network. For example, I am taking a network where if I am telling in computer center 5 the network there is an issue. So automatically what it does, it detects the server network cable or server where the connection is disconnected and it can clear this. So this goal agent, what it does, it cleans your place. So next is your utility. Utility is yes or no, like Boolean algebra we can say. So whether it is satisfaction or not satisfaction. So it may be of any other kind of your utility agent. So this agent or whatever things, many of the things if a human takes a plate or it is moving while it's dropping down, so it is a fault. When human makes, it's a fault, but when AI makes, it is an utility. It is an dissatisfaction of an AI robot. So next is your learning. So learning is nothing but the step-by-step improvement. So whatever the AI does now, AI, you see it is in many fields of learning, it is often deep learning, and it is many things it is doing, even the cleaning, housework, many other things it's doing. So what it does, so this AI is learning by step how the AI can act as naturally as humanized, because now even the human model of AI is coming, but even it is having some disadvantages, so it is not in today's world of AI, even it is in learning AI. So these are your agents in your AI. So in next class we'll see about logical reasoning. Thank you.